Welcome back. Here is a quick step-by-step guide on how to deposit Naira into your Afrivestor trading account. So open the app and log into your account. Once you have logged into it, on your home screen or your dashboard, tap into Fund Wallet. Then you enter the amount of Naira you want to deposit. Let's say, for example, 20,000 Naira. So you continue. Once you tap continue, you select your preferred method of payment. So either you choose bank transfer or you choose debit card. Whichever one that you want, you select. If you choose bank transfer, copy the account details given to you and switch to your bank app and make the transfer. If you select debit card, you need to input your card details and make payments. Confirm the payment. Once it is successful, your Afrivestor wallet balance will update immediately. That's all it takes for you to fund your wallet. Thanks for watching and happy trading.